Hi, my name is Kate. I'm also known as twolittlekits on the internet. I love to make cross-stitch pieces, embroidery pieces, and just general needlepoint stuff. I also make cross-stitch patterns, embroidery patterns, and I love to do stitch-alongs and pretty much whatever else I can think of. I'm going to be using this YouTube channel to post my stitch-alongs, to do floss tube videos, and to do how-to tutorials on general embroidery as well as cross-stitch. I'd love it if you join me, so subscribe if you enjoy my channel, and I can't wait to see you around. Bye!